welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, hello, my name is Sandhya, and the reason that I'm doing a wedding Q&A is because I got married in December 2018 last year, and I've received a lot of questions on my socials asking about all the details basically about my wedding. So I thought of doing it into a Q&A. I posted on my Instagram asking you guys to ask me some questions related to the wedding, which I have got right here on my phone. So I'm going to answer them one by one. And of course, I'm going to acknowledge everyone who is asking me questions, and yeah, I hope that you get all your answers. Let's get started. So some of you might already know about this because I recently did a video with Piyush, but for those who don't, Piyush and I were dating for quite a while actually before getting married. So there wasn't like he said a bar or something that we have to get married right for that. It's nothing like that. I feel like you can get married at 20 and still be happy, and you can also get married after 35 and still be cool AF, so it doesn't really matter. I personally got married when I was really happy in my relationship and I knew that it was a safe space where I can actually think about spending the life with this person. So yeah, that's when I thought of getting married. Well, the marriage ceremony that I enjoyed the most was definitely Haldi. So we did a poolside Haldi, which was so beautiful. The weather was amazing. It was almost rainy weather, but thankfully it didn't rain. So I'm going to insert some clips here so that you guys can see the vibe of my Haldi was amazing. It was so much fun. We had the best time at my Haldi. Well, thank you Riddhi, and I took my makeup artist along with me to Jim Corbett. She did my mehendi makeup there. I had my mehendi function also there, so she did my makeup in that function, and she did it for my wedding also. And honestly, it's so this is the biggest blunder in the weddings, by the way. The makeup has to be you basically. You have to choose the makeup, you have to make sure to find someone who knows what you want exactly in your makeup. So I wanted something that would enhance just me. I wanted to see myself in my wedding pictures and not some cakey, really blunderous version of me. So I wanted to keep it pretty natural, neutral, and just really pretty. And honestly, I say this to everybody, I wouldn't change anything about my wedding makeup. It was just perfect. Artist was Suhani. I'll put her details Instagram account somewhere here so that you guys can approach her if you're looking for a wedding makeup artist. She's amazing, very cooperative, and she has really good hand at makeup. So yeah, go ahead and approach her if you're looking for a makeup artist. So I'll add something to it. I'm sure if you're watching this and you're looking for a makeup artist for your wedding or any others, this much information is not enough. You must be thinking about the prices as well. Honestly, she charged me decent amount, but it was quite worth the money. I was hassle-free all the time. I had no tension about how my makeup is going to be. I trusted her and she did an amazing job. So she's worth every penny. Okay, so my lehenga was from one of the stores in Chandni Chowk named Divasa, and honestly I entered the store, I fell in love with the style and the lehenga. The color was wine, by the way, so it was a gorgeous lehenga that I loved when I first saw it, so I got it. Talking about the brand Divasa, they were not really good in customer service. I had to go down like 5 times for the fitting of the blouse, and I ended up hating it, so I got it stitched from somewhere else. So I wouldn't really recommend, pick your battle. Their designs are really good. So if you want to pick the design side, they're amazing. But in customer service, they weren't really good. So that's completely your call. And if anyone is looking to go there, it's on the main road on Chandni Chowk. And I'm pretty sure anyone will tell you if you ask for the name, it's Divasa. So I got my jewelry also from one of the stores in Chandni Chowk, and honestly I searched for my bridal jewelry in Lajpat Nagar, and oh, what else, I've already forgotten the name, but there were so many markets that I checked out. And if you are a bride or a future bride, or you've been a bride, you know what that hassle is. I mean, I searched everywhere for the jewelry, but I couldn't really find that good variety of jewelry that I wanted. It was all those pathetic old designs. So I was looking for something new, something good, and I got that in Chandni Chowk. It was Kinari Market. It's right behind the Gurudwara, and I will leave the shop name down in the description box if you guys want to check out and visit them, because they have a wide variety. Well, my makeup inspiration was derived from a lot of different things. I knew that I didn't want to go for the traditional gold and red or maroon makeup. I wanted to keep it very peachy, very fresh, very dewy. So these are the things that I told Suhani as well, that I want to keep my makeup this way, like some shades of pink in my eye and glitter and you know, peach lips. So I told her about this because my lehenga was pretty heavy. So heavy gold eye would have, like, that's completely out of you know, style nowadays anyways. If you see brides nowadays, they're choosing for more of the neutral looks than, you know, heavy makeup. So I wanted to go for that as well because that looks really good in pictures, and as my lehenga was heavy, I went for a lighter makeup. So yeah, that's the inspiration. And I also shared some pictures that were my makeup inspiration. I saved a lot of them just to show my makeup artist and let her know what I actually want. This is actually a very good way if you want to let the other person know, you know, what exactly you want. Just try saving some pictures on Pinterest. Pinterest is amazing to save some pictures, get some good inspiration of what actually is in trend right now. So that's exactly what I did, and I just put some sample pictures that I used here on the screen. So as I said before, I got my lehenga from Divasa. I entered their store. They showed me around 15 designs of different lehengas, different colors, pastels, pinks, and all the other stuff. And I absolutely hated each one of them because they were pretty traditional. And so I had a sample picture that I wanted to show them. I showed it to them, and they got my piece down. And I absolutely loved the color and the whole setup of this lehenga. The embroidery was beautiful, so I chose this one. Now talking about the cost, this lehenga costed me around 75,000. Now this might be too much for some people, and this might be too less for some people, depending upon your financial capability and, you know, how much budget you're carrying for your lehenga. So the thing with me was, I just wanted to wear something that I like, something that resonates with me. I like the design, something that I want to see myself wearing as a bride, and luckily I was able to find it in our budget. And the best thing about Chandni Chowk is, even if you have a budget of 15,000, you'll be able to find a bridal lehenga in 15,000. I mean, that's the basic amount for a bridal lehenga. And even if you're looking for a bridal lehenga in 5 lakhs per se, you'll be able to do that as well. So Chandni Chowk has a wide variety with a lot of designers. So if you're looking for a bridal lehenga, definitely visit Chandni Chowk. You will thank me. There are so many questions about the makeup artist. I know, guys, she did an amazing job. Her name is Suhani Sethi, and I am going to leave her details down in the description box so that you guys can reach her if you're looking for a makeup artist. So this is all I had for you guys today. So I hope that you got all the answers to all the questions that you guys had. I tried to answer as much as I could, and honestly, if you are a future bride, you have more questions or any other confusions, make sure to leave a question in the comment down below. I will answer them for you, and you can also reach me on my socials. Just DM me there directly and I will get back to you as soon as possible. And with that, we'll wrap today's video. Make sure that you comment, like and subscribe to my channel if you're new. And yeah, that's about it. I will see you guys next time.